Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Sir Jason's Math Corner. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Just search on the YouTube, Sir Jason's Math Corner, and hit subscribe. So for today's video, we will be talking about squaring binomial. So first and foremost, we will define first what is a binomial. So a binomial is an algebraic expression that has two terms. When we talk about two terms, that is separated by an operation. Yes, correct. That's either addition or subtraction. So say for example, if we can have A plus B. So this is an example of a binomial. A plus B is a binomial. What makes it a binomial? Because it is being separated, the two variables are being separated by an addition. So how do we square a binomial? So that's squaring a binomial. So let us just follow the rules in squaring a binomial. Say for example, this A plus B squared, this is equal to A plus B times A plus B, if I am not mistaken. To multiply two factors, we will just use the FOIL method. So what does FOIL means? The FOIL method. Okay. So F stands for the first term. O stands for the outer. I stands for the inner. And L stands for the last term. So what are we going to do with this rule or the FOIL? The first, outer, inner, and last. So first, the first terms, or this is the A and A, because that is the first term, or those are the first terms of each factor. So you just multiply these two. Multiply the first term. Then outer term, meaning the terms outside. So the terms outside are A and B. You just have to multiply those, multiply again. And then same with the inner terms, the B and A again. So you just multiply. And then the last term, which is the B and B, multiply again. Okay. So your final product would comprise of the following. The product of the first term, which is, this is the first term of your product, of your final answer. Then you add these two, because these two will be like terms. If you are going to evaluate the product of the outer terms and the product of the inner terms, those can be added because they are like terms. And this is our second term. Plus again our last term. So the product of this expression is comprised of three terms. So let's try to answer. This is by using the rule, you multiply the first term, the A and A, the product of that is A squared, plus the outer term, the A and B, that's AB, plus the A and B again, the B and A, that's still AB. So let's just change it. AB plus AB, that's 2AB. So let's just answer that directly. Let's erase this one. And then of course, the last term, the B and B, the product is B squared. Therefore, when we expand this expression, A plus B squared, that would equal to A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. If you have noticed, there is this what we call as pattern. If you have noticed, you just simply if the first and the last term, you just simply square the first and the second term of the binomial being squared. Then you just simply multiply the first and second term, the a and b, and then you multiply it by 2, and that makes the rule, or um, that summarizes the rule in squaring a binomial. So let's just write the rule in squaring a binomial. Okay. To square a binomial, square the first term, the first term, then add twice the product of the first term and second term, and second term. Then finally, then add the square of the second term. And that's the rule in squaring a binomial. I hope that you have understood. You have to familiarize, or else just memorize this rule if you find it tough remembering the formula or the full method. You just memorize this rule and you will get as easy the correct answer upon squaring a 10 binomial. So I'll just erase this and let's take another example. Say for example, we have a binomial 2x plus 1. Then you square it. So by using the rule, the rule says the first term is to square the first term. So that's 2x, then square, plus you multiply twice the product, or you add twice the product plus 2 times the product of the first term and the second term. The first term is 2x, the second term is 1. Plus finally, you add the square of the last term. So that's 1 squared. Then you will get an answer of 2x squared, that's 2 squared, x squared, that's 4x squared, plus twice the product of 2x and 1, that's 4x. And then you square the last term, the 1 squared, the answer is 1. So therefore, when we expand the expression 2x plus 1 squared, the product is, or the answer is this one. So hopefully, you have learned something from this lesson, and you would recommend this video to your classmates or to your friends. Thank you for watching my channel, and I hope that you have already subscribed to it. Goodbye. See you on the next video.